Earning money is simple but not easy. If you think it's easy, you are making a fault. Earning money is very simple. Many people are earning much more money. But it's not easy. Here are many people who are earning 10,000 per day. Here are many people who are earning 1 lakh per day. And here are many people who are earning 1 crore per day. And here are many people who are earning 100 crore per day. But it looks very simple. They are earning so much money and they are working as much as you are. And here are many people who are working for less than 10,000 for a month. But they are putting efforts more than the billionaire, but they are not earning much more money. Because it's simple, but it's not easy. You have to learn from it. You have to learn about it, how you can earn much more money, how you can use your efforts, your knowledge, your experiences to learn more, to earn more, how you can earn more, what is required to do this. You have to learn it, but you don't learn. You are not investing in learning. So everything depends on your mindset, how you think. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to earn? That differs you. That you are going to earn or you are not going to earn. And your mindset decides that earning money is easy or not. When you are determined, it's easy. When you are not determined, you are only dream about it, it's not going to be easy. It's simple but not easy. You can understand by this example that morning walk is simple, but it's not easy. You have many times tried that I'm going to morning walk next day, but when the next day comes, you don't get up from your bed. You feel I will do it next day, and next day never comes. So you should understand that earning money is simple, but it's not easy. You have to work for it. You have to be determined for it, that I am going to earn money, and it's simple. When you think it's simple, it gives you power, it gives you courage that it's simple, I can do it. But remember, it's not easy. It's not easy. You have to work for it. You have to give your 100% for it. It's not easy, but it's simple. You can, but you have to determine for it. Thank you.